welcome to Gordon Guitar. This one will be a shorty Giveon song, At Least We Tried. So only 3 chord guys and the capo on third. That is what we need for the song. So let's start capo on third, and the first chord will be A minor 7. So like that. That gives us open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be B minor 7. So you need a bar now on the second fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. And the third and final chord will be C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so strumming pattern. Let's look at that. A minor 7 is the first chord. So one round will be like this. That's it. So it's down, down, up, clap. Couple rounds of this. Yeah. So you will play 1 round for A minor 7, 1 round for B minor 7, and 2 rounds for C major 7, and that will be it for the song. A couple rounds of this chord progression will be like this. So that wraps it up for Giveon's At Least We Tried. So yeah, hope you liked it. Play tuned.